Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So we all know exactly what the Harley stock exhaust sounds like, and it's not the most pleasing sound, to say the least, out of the stock exhaust. So in order to mitigate that, today I'm going to be installing Cobra Neighbor Haters Gen 2 uppercut. Alright, let's take a look at the parts. Alright guys, here you go. Cobra Neighbor Haters Gen 2 uppercut. So taking a look from the back, these are 4.5-inch pipes. They'll match really nicely with the slash cut that's going to go right up against the stretched bags that are on the bike. Right. Also, if you look closely, hopefully you can see that gloss inside of the pipe, but that paint will go really nicely matching the paint that's on the bike. All right, let's go ahead and take the bags off and stock exhaust off and get these installed. So to remove these pipes, it's extremely simple. There's just 2 bolts here, and 1 bolt that holds the clamp is right here, and that's it. Alright guys, here's the right side installed. This is what it looks like on the bike. See a Cobra logo right here. And there's the inside. That's the slash cut. Alright, you'll see it much better once the bag is on. Alright, let's go ahead and do the left side. Alright guys, first cold start. I'm gonna run it for a few seconds just to give you an idea. Obviously it's gonna change a little bit over time as it burns in, but this is a first start. The camera will stay exactly where it is, but I'm gonna take the external mic out to about 20 or so feet, not to overwhelm the microphone levels too much, so you'll get a little bit more proper sound, if you will. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of Cobra Neighbor Haters Gen 2 on my Harley Davidson Road King Special. So hopefully this video gave you some idea of how this exhaust sounds like. I know it's not quite the same as being in person, but at least you got some idea. But from my personal perspective, it is not overly loud. It's got a nice rumble to it. And I'm sure again, as the exhaust burns in, it's going to change the tone slightly. So for those of you who follow my channel, you may remember I had a Road Glide Special before, and I had a Tab Performance exhaust on it with zombie baffles. And just to compare the two, again, they're both 4.5-inch exhaust, but Tab had zombie baffles, which is their loudest baffle that they have. And it is substantially louder than a Cobra Neighbor Haters. However, for me personally, with zombie baffle, riding for a while, it just had a little too much drone on the highway for my taste. I mean, a lot of people love it, and again, you know, I like that exhaust a lot, but if I was to do that again, I probably would get a mid-level baffles versus the zombies that are their loudest. But again, compared to this one is a little mellower. It still has a very nice rumble to it, and it wakes up the authentic Harley sound. Alright, so that will do it for today. As always, if this video was helpful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.